and one of my friends from climbing actually mentioned to me that he saw these like really big cameras called ultra large format cameras online, and I was like, ultra large format cameras? I never heard of one before. And I started looking at it and I instantly fell in love with it, and I just wanted to build my own, and that was the kind of the basis of my project. Some of them quite clear, some of them a little bit hazy, but that's kind of what I wanted to do. My project's all about memories and stuff like that, and we don't quite see memories as like this clear image that we normally see them. They've changed. Some of them come out with like different spots or something like that, and other things. And I think it sort of adds to the whole sort of experience of viewing them as well. So it's quite interesting to sort of to look at, I guess, as well. It's taken about 1.5 months, I guess, and it's been a bit difficult getting all the little finer details right. It's been a bit tricky and stuff like that, but at the same time, it's been really rewarding to see how it's been done. There's been a few hiccups here and there, but I think it's worked really well.